POV. It's been a while since you guys have been along for the ride, and Miss Nazca here. Usually my POV videos are silent, just engine noise. But I want to do a little talking today. I feel like it. I got some goldfish den here, a drink here, my camera up here. You know, the important stuff. If you guys are looking for a silent video with the POV, I got multiple on the channel. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll find one. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2009 Honda Civic Si. That's an fa5, of course. Full bolt on. Skunk 2 alpha header, Skunk 2 Mega Power RR, so the full 3-inch exhaust. I have a K-tuned short ram intake that is aimed towards the headlight, and it's not a hot air intake. It actually does a good job. Honda Flash Pro, tuned by Yash Tuned. Look him up on Instagram. He is a wizard with these things. She's pushing 226 horsepower via e-tune. If you want to complain, if you want to like argue with me, I have the sheet. And if you want to argue with me more, then you could take it up with him, because he's the one that did it. Other mods that I have on the car include this shifter here. I have a video on that. I got hybrid racing, Denton springs and shift selector spring. I got BC Racing coilovers and a Progress 24mm rear sway bar. And we are sitting on stock wheels. We just have Toyo Extensas for my tires. And if I believe that's it. But it's humid. Some of you guys are asking me like what I want to do next with the car, so I also wanted to answer that in here. So it's kind of been stopped a little bit, which is a big bummer. But what's next is I'm getting this windshield replaced because it's driving me crazy, as well with the bumper, and that's about it. I think the grill bumper and the windshield, just because they're kind of droopy. They're real droopy. They look real bad, so those will be coming up. But really, next up is wheels and tires. I'll be getting some, I think, Falcons or some Hancocks. I think Falcons. I can't remember the name quite yet. I have a bunch of buddies that are big tire guys, big tire nerds, and I'm not super good with. I'm not like them. I'm not super good with like tires. There's just so many and so many numbers and yada yada that I'm not super great with them. I know my way around, but I'm I'm not gonna tell you what tires exactly, just because I don't know yet. But I know I'm getting NP RPF ones. I know very original. But to be fair, this car was never meant to be original. It's meant to be the car I wanted, and I fell in love with the fa5s with RPF ones. So that's what I'm gonna be getting. Just the problem being, or not the problem, but the thing that's a little tougher that we're gonna be doing, that I'm gonna be doing, is I'm not getting the normal RPF ones. Like if you go on like Fitment Industries, for example, or something, and you get RPF ones and says this will fit your car. Sure, they'll fit your car, but they're not the version I want. Those versions, they're kind of like bubbled out, and I don't like that bubble look whatsoever. If you go back in my videos quite a ways, if you go to my 9th gen Civic review, it's called why is the 9th gen Civic Si the most hated generation? Which I know it is not, but that's what I titled that video. Those are the ones I'm talking about I don't like. I think they look fine, I just don't think they look as good. So I'm going to be getting different spec ones that are technically for like S2000s and stuff, I think. They're more flat faced and they're more deep dished. So I'm going to have to do some fender rolling or stuff of that nature. But it's going to be worth it. It's going to look so much better than the bubble face. Realistically, I don't know when the wheels are going to show up. I mean, when I'm going to be getting them. And realistically, I don't know what's going to be after that, because if you guys seen my short, my other Civic blew up. Not really blew up, but head gasket's gone. I'm getting coolant in my oil, and the piston rings are gone. So that car needs fixed pretty urgently, which is a shame because I just got it running a while back. I was going to do a video last week on that car, a review, just what I was going to do to that car, but now, engine's gone. So, realistically, I might not even get wheels for this yet. I might just have to go rebuild that car, and that'll be good footage for you guys. I mean, we'll get new engine and everything in that car, but, I mean, the same engine, but it'll be rebuilt and everything, so, kind of a bummer. It's kind of putting Nezuko here on the back burner, because I need to have my second car, especially in order to get my bumper and everything redone. I was going to get that into a shop, but then I wouldn't have a second car to drive around, so. Sounds great, and suspension and roll bar feel absolutely fantastic. We got a big rig going very slow. And hey, I could say that because I drive big rigs for a living, so I can say that. He's turning though, so we're all good. reported. Whoa! I decided to skip some stuff. We hit a lot of that traffic with that big rig and all those people, and it wasn't entertaining for you guys. So I decided, let's not. So here we are. There's a 370 back there, and I'm trying to get the guy to do a review. I've been trying. I have a couple of reviews in the works that I hope can work out. I got that 370 I hope I can figure out. I have a BMW race car. It's like an autocross car slash track car. The thing, it doesn't have like engine mods. I think it has like a very limited amount, but it's all just suspension or everything. So much has been done to that thing. It's crazy. And that one is really hard to get it right. So the guy is willing to do it. He's a really cool dude. I talked to him for a while. I'm really excited to meet him in person. It's hard to figure it out, right? Things are always like either I'm busy, he's busy, you know, something's broken, or my thing's broken, something like that. So I'm trying to find time, but we'll get a review of that car done at some point. And then another thing, dudes, I'm really excited about is hopefully this month, at the end of the month, is autocross. And the whole deal was I was going to get my white Civic, my GSR swapped EJ1 review done last week, and then we were going to take that to autocross. So we were going to autocross that car because that car is literally made to be my little track car. But that car's blown up now, so you know what? We're gonna take this car to autocross. I'm just not gonna hit on it as hard. That's what I'm telling myself, but still, because I need to be careful because it's, you know, my daily. So, but we're still gonna take it, and so you guys can see what it's like to do an autocross. If you guys never done it before, you guys are looking forward to it, or you just want to see me fail. And the guy with the BMW will be there, so I get to meet him, and hopefully you guys can too. The VTEC crossover in this K20 sounds so good, so much better than the 9 Gen 1 because that has no VTEC crossover sound. This really was the first like Civic with VTEC that I've ever felt that actually like you could feel the VTEC do something, you know, unlike just changes the sound, you know. made one for a while, so I thought, hey, you know, let's do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's been a while since you've taken a ride with her, you know. And if you guys haven't seen her since the coils and the sway bar, then she's a lot different. She feels spectacular. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hit like if you liked it. Comment down below, you know, what's your favorite SI, or what's your favorite car, what's your favorite corner car. Miata is definitely mine, not gonna lie, but I will see you guys later. Peace out, dudes.